Well, we have here the Holiday Drop Bell Edition. Really nice looking knife that comes in a specific holiday edition to this. Now the best part about this is that as a switchblade it looks amazing. Take a look at one side of this. It has all the holiday decorations on it, as well as the other side too, and it's all three-dimensional. It looks amazing with the gold accents and everything in here. It makes this knife a very collectible for you to get. Now this thing could be switched around and you can switch it to this specific side in case you actually want to. As a switchblade, it does come with replaceable lasers, and it comes with 5 of them in case you use up one of them that's already inside the box itself. It's also very easily for you to remove this. As you can see, there's 2 different things for you to unscrew, and you can just go ahead and take this out. With the thumb stud, it's easy for you to go ahead and open this. That's one way for you to open. The second way to open is just to grab it and open and close. As an added safety, as you open this up and you close it using the switchblade, you can use this in one hand, but the safety here, it doesn't just drop on you, it stops right here. And because of that, it gives it an extra safety for you as well. The only time the spring actually works is just about here. So this is good in terms of safety wise, and it looks amazing too. So if you're thinking about somebody who is in the construction business looking for a fancy nice knife that he can operate, or she, with one hand, this is something for you to definitely consider as well. Now the box itself is really nice. It has the Christmas edition decor on it on one side and the other too. Now the best part about this knife is the ergonomics of it. It's actually built just like a drop bell would be made. So this part is the drop bell edition of it, and this part over here is just different because it gives you something else, an ability for you to spend the time opening and closing packages. So few people who work in this kind of business, that's the only fun they have doing their job, is to open and close the packages. You might as well give them something really amazing. Now the specs on this is, well, it's called the UTI BEAR. This is number 2, made by designer AZO. The steel over here is 5C3 15 MOV. It's a special steel just for those kind of blades, and those are the box opening blades themselves. This part right here is bead blasted G10 handle, and it features a clutch lock which is patented, and it's made just for Kizer. Now this is very similar to the Axis lock, but a little bit more superior. As you can see, it doesn't drop all the way. So it's definitely, they took a lock and made it so much better with Kizer. Another thing about this, there is a really interesting looking Christmas tree right over here. As you look on this side, there is actually a Santa Claus printed on here, and it says, well, let's see, Merry Christmas right on here. Absolutely a cool blade and a knife for you to actually own, and for somebody who is looking for something collectible, this is the 2025 edition. Once they stop making those, there is no more of those for this year. So you should definitely consider getting this. Furthermore, there is another added bonus to this right on the side over here. Now this one is not easy for you to access, so keep this in mind. You might have to actually have another tool for you to get this out. But sometimes, if you're working on a project, you might actually need those really small different tools that are available over here for us to use. Now if you had nails, or you kept on like taking this on and off, I'm sure it would have been much easier for you to go ahead and get those things out of here. So those things are extra bonuses for you to use. And the reason why we have this is that sometimes when you're working, you need a pair of Twizzlers, or you need to go ahead and use a toothpick. Just imagine yourself being stuck in the woods in the middle of nowhere, and you have just this one knife for you to use, and you just have this in the vehicle. So sometimes just having the toothpick right here, or maybe you're at a guest house or something and there is no more toothpicks, well, this one will work for you. Or if you need a pair of Twizzlers, And we do have this just extra location for you to go ahead and put those additional stuff right on here. So you might as well have something over here for you to use. The knife itself is nice and stylish. I actually really dig the whole entire design. I think this should be maybe 9.2 out of 10. The design itself, the looks of it is just really beautiful. And for those of you who are looking for a work knife that is decor-like and totally different than the rest, this one is definitely for you to consider, buy on, and get.